So a little background on Mid-State Technical College. We are one of 16 technical colleges in Wisconsin. Our college has been here since 1912. The machining program was the second program started at Mid-State. The goal and the vision was to be a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, which we have really taken on that challenge and made it happen. So we acquired the new Milltronics machines this summer while we were making the move to this new facility. We worked with our local businesses as to what kind of machines they were running, and several of those businesses had Milltronics machines and really wanted us to have some of those in place here at this facility to help train their future employees. Roughly 80 to 90% of our students find employment in the career field that they have chosen. So yes, the large number of our students leave here with a career. The learning curve was not as steep as we had thought it was going to be. The students were able to pick up the control very easily. The conversational portion is very nice for them to work with. It helps them get from print to part much faster. Happiest days are when the students come back to visit, telling me about the fact that they're taking their education, they have a career, they're buying houses, they're getting married, they're having kids, they're living the dream. Really, we try to mimic the projects that we do here at the college, similar to what they would see in industries. Really, the goal is to give them a good, well-rounded education so that when they get out in the field, there's nothing that surprises them. The Milltronics tech support has been really responsive when we needed help. The training was very good, and we were up and running without any issues. I also teach our CAD/CAM courses, and we have had zero problems with creating programs in our system, our CAM system, and the code feeds into the Milltronics perfectly, and they run perfectly with it. Rigidity has been great. Overall, the machines have a solid feel to them. They feel industrial, they feel solid when they're using them. I think the relationship that we are building with Milltronics has been super helpful, from the support we're getting on the sales side to tech support, and right to finished parts coming out the door of the machines. We've been really happy with being a partner every step of the way.